Welcome to Lesson 4 Event Handling in ASP.NET WebForms. In this session, we will explore how WebForms responds to user actions like button clicks, drop down selections, and form submissions. You will learn how to wire up events and write clean responsive logic. Event handling is the process of responding to user actions like clicking a button or selecting an item. In ASP.NET Web Forms, events are triggered by controls and handled on the server, allowing you to build dynamic interactive pages. WebForms supports a variety of events. The most common include page load, which runs when the page loads, button click triggered by button presses, text changed for text boxes, and selected index changed for drop downs. Each event lets you respond to user input in real time. To handle an event, you write a method in the code behind file. It starts with the protected void followed by the control ID and event name. For example, button submit click handles a button click. Inside this method, you write the logic to respond to the user's action. When a user triggers an event, the page performs a post back, sending data to the server. The isPostBack property helps you check if the page is loading for the first time or reloading due to a postback. This is useful for avoiding duplicate data binding. Events in WebForms follow a specific order. First, page init runs, followed by page load. The control events like button click are processed. After that, page pre-render prepares the page for display. And finally, page unload handles cleanup. To write effective event handlers, keep your logic clean and focused. Use isPostBack to prevent unnecessary operations. Always validate user input before processing and avoid duplicating logic across multiple events. In conclusion, event handling is what makes your WebForms applications interactive and powerful. By mastering server-side events, you can create responsive, user-friendly experiences that behave exactly as intended. If you have questions about event handling or want to explore specific scenarios, let us dive in. I am here to help clarify anything you need.